to New York. It already smelled like Timberlands and donuts. So we're gonna ride the train because we got a lot of time to kill. I think our check-in is like 11 o'clock.
No, it's probably 3. It's probably 3 o'clock.
Might be 3, I don't know, I didn't check. But we here at 7 a.m. 34 hours in New York, let's get it. So we made it to our hotel, staying at Marriott. Shout out to my big bro Nate for that alley-oop last minute. Because Priceline is buns, and so is motherfucking Holiday Inn in Brooklyn. That lady who was at the front, ridiculous. Customer service, twash. Don't recommend.
Look out for my Google review.
Yeah, she was over there typing the paragraphs. So we were able to check in early, so that's a blessing because we wasn't going to be able to do that otherwise. And we're eating breakfast, and then we get this day started. What's up, y'all? So I'm in Brooklyn, New York. Corey, say what's up.
Hey, y'all.
So you guys know I've been on this YouTube journey, improving my content creation, all that. My sister got me this, the Osmo Pocket 3. So I saw Corey first do this and it took her content to the next level because the camera was stabilized, she could move and it literally would move with her. I've realized that even though I'm an athlete, I don't have the most steady hand. So I'm holding the camera, there's gonna be, but now I'm gonna be smooth. So we still got about 24 hours left in New York. Get some content with this and we'll be able to see if we can tell the difference. All right, y'all, so this is the very first of my vlog with the, what's it called?
Osmo Pocket 3.
The Osmo Pocket 3.
Look how small. I'm
Wow.
not this low down to the ground.
That's crazy. That's crazy. This is doing futuristic. Ooh.
I had my Santa Miso.
All right, y'all, so I was told that I absolutely have to have a chopped cheese from Brooklyn. So we're going to this.
You were told that you absolutely had to have one from Harlem, but we're not gonna make it. So
I was told that I had to
trusting
have.
this place.
I was told I had to have a chopped cheese from New York. We didn't go to Harlem, but we're at this Brooklyn deli, so I can get one. You ever see a woman upset when they get the order wrong? Look how she's storming. I guess the chopped cheese wasn't chopped or cheesed enough, I don't know. Yeah, I don't want to see her wrath, so I'm gonna wait outside. But yeah, New York is a beautiful place. I'm really digging this Osmo. I'm sure you guys can attest when you have a big camera walking around, feel kind of creepy, at least I do. So having this a whole lot more discreet, I don't feel as bad, as subconscious.
this is why you can't just trust anybody to make things that are very specific to certain places. You know what I'm saying? All right, go ahead.
All right, so this is the chopped cheese. We're currently in Brooklyn.
First bite.
Good, it just tastes like a burger. It's good though. is futuristic. Like a spaceship.